Roche Electric has returned to finish up the wiring job. Can't wait to turn things on. Working on relocating the light that was on the right side of the door from inside. Now it's going to be on the right side of the door from the outside. Moving on to the two new lights here, just inside of the garage door, halfway in between, so it has to be raised up.
This bit's bad.
Layer one. Is there insulation?
There is.
Good. So far, it's been positive at every opening. Getting ready to do some wire fishing. Oh, wait a minute. That's a huge bit.
Hopefully I don't go through the drywall. You want to spot me there, Joe?
Sounds like you're on the top plate.
So can you reach that or no?
Yeah.
Hook a wire to that.
We're gonna attach the wire to the end of that drill bit, pull it on through. That's the idea, I think. It made the trip. Check that out.
Didn't wrangle it too much.
And he caught a fiberglass fish. They're rare.
It's pink.
Oh yeah, pink salmon. Pack the fiberglass back in the hole.
And then we'll fish another wire up from here.
The wires that are there are of no use at this point.
Yeah, I'll just cap them off and leave them in there.
Okay.
Since we don't know where they're really going. So we'll just save them all, put wire nuts on the end. And
Well, that's cool. No dust.
No dust.
Is that your invention?
No, I wish.
Orlando got the wires snaked in there. That was fun to watch. Now the box for the lamp. Snug. Now, why is that at an angle?
so your bracket, a lot of these lights have like two set screws right here to hold the light up.
Yeah?
So if you put your bracket straight up or straight sideways, these will get in the way of the ears
Oh, okay.
of the set screws. So you just angle them all a bit. When your bracket goes on, then you got all this free to back in your set screws. It looks bad. It looks crooked, you know. And then, but when you go and do it, everything's
Good.
yeah. But a lot of guys will put these perfectly straight up and down, and then these get in the way.
Huh.
And if you do it sideways, the box is more narrow here than it is here, so you'd be bottoming out on these.
I'll be darned.
Yeah. So it's like this little crooked spot is like perfect for mounting a light straight.
It's lining up the location of the light here to the location right here.
Hot switch leg ground, and then you don't have to think. You just pull it down. You know that this is.
Oh, okay.
With singles, you don't really have to do it, but it's just a habit.
That's twisting the ground wire, the bare copper around the other two, so you know it's a switch wire.
It'll keep people from landing two switch legs on one switch.
Yeah.
And or two hots on one switch,
Huh.
and the switch not working at all or always being on.
Folks, this is a trick of the trade. That sounds like a job.
Yeah. Right.
Talking about a potential sponsorship on my YouTube channel. I've never accepted those offers because then it becomes a job.
They're typically one-sided.
Yes, exactly. You can't go with the competition. Well, I like the white.
So do I. I think white's just really clean looking and it hides really well. As much as we take pride in our work, we don't want it to be obvious that it's there.
The clean way to drill a hole in drywall. One guy up above, another guy.
Phishing scam. All over it was all over the internet that a big phishing scam went out this month too.
So this outlet box, junction box, is because it's a convenient place to put it. You found existing wires?
The existing wires, yeah, they barely make it here, but they reach here. And so it's a convenient spot. We'll put a blank cover right here. If anybody needs to access it,
Okay.
it'll be right here, kind of up out of the way.
Yeah, perfect.
And that feeds that switch down there.
Making use of what is there, taking advantage of it.
Are you sure you're not bleeding?
No, I'm fine. I've done it plenty of times up there. I don't think I am. It's like a little cap that goes inside your hat. It's like a hard
Oh, okay.
hat that goes inside. Yeah.
Look at that. All on one switch and hopefully a dimmer, right?
Yeah, that's gotta be changed to a dimmer.
We're testing out the Pioneer heat pump. Diane's inside, changing it to heat mode. Here it goes. All right, it works. Now we have heat and air conditioning for our converted garage. Got a little rattle here. Going inside to see if it's getting warmer.
Yep.
Feel heat?
Yep, I feel heat.
Excellent. It works. Takes it a few seconds to respond to the change in the
You have the remote with you?
remote, but the remote probably won't work through the wall here. Now it's kicking on. So there's a rattle over here. Put your hand on that.
Yep, it's this.
Yeah. Now we're getting up to speed.
Think we'll be able to hear that from inside the house?
Yeah, let's go inside. Check out what we hear. There's a definite hum coming from the unit. I feel the heat. We'll have to check this out during a real quiet time. A little bit of a hum, but I think it's pretty much normal.
Yeah, I think
If
that
you
is
walk
what-
around the neighborhood, sometimes you can hear them kick on from down the street. So
Yeah, no, that's the this one was on this.
all right.
Think we'll be able to hear that from inside the house?
Yeah, let's go inside. Check out what